Hi guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Lego set 40222. It's like the little 24-in-1 build a set calendar thing. I'm not quite sure how this works. If you have the pieces and then you just rebuild it into different things, or if it makes all this stuff. So it says it has 250 pieces. So we'll open it up here and see what's on the inside. I'm probably not going to do a video each day of what I build of this. I just wanted to show you what's inside this box when you first open it up. So, there's an instruction booklet right on top. It says book 2, so that means there must be 2 books. Yep. There's book 1. So, and here's all the different instructions for all the different days of things you build. And then you've got bags of parts. And a brick separator so you can take it apart and rebuild it, I suppose. So you got 4 bags of parts. That's what's in the box there. Let's see. I can get to page 1, so it tells you number 1, so that'll be on December 1st. And you're going to build this, and then you get the parts and you build it. And then it shows you this plus this. I guess that means take it apart equals a pile of bricks, and then you build something different. So this should be fun. Yeah. So there's the parts. So I'm looking forward to building that there. That should be fun to do this December. So that's what's in the box. Thanks for watching.